Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth icon missing from Windows 11. First method is enable Bluetooth icon. Second method is type services in Windows search bar. Open Bluetooth support service, stop and start the service. Third method is open File Explorer, C Drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Create shortcut FSQUIRT. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update Bluetooth device. Fifth method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select computer name, click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Bluetooth manufacturer name and model, click Next. Seventh method is open any browser. Download and install Intel Bluetooth driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.